If you have an eye for design and want to turn it into a business, but you're not sure where to start, this video is for you. We're breaking down how to launch your own interior design business step by step, from finding your niche to landing clients and even offering e-design services. Whether your style leans modern and minimalist or bold and eclectic, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started. Because interior design is more than just making spaces look good, it's a growing industry full of opportunity. Stick around until the end because we've got a bonus section on AI-powered design tools that can streamline your workflow to help you work smarter, not harder. Let's get started.
Ooh, this is nice!
Interior design is a massive industry, but trying to design everything for everyone is a fast track to getting lost in the crowd. The best way to stand out? Find your niche. Maybe you're all about creating cozy, functional homes. Or maybe you're drawn to sleek office spaces, boutique hotels, or eco-friendly interiors. Some designers even go fully remote with e-design services, helping clients transform their spaces from anywhere. The more specific you get, the easier it'll be to attract the right clients. Once you've locked in your niche, it's time to think about the bigger picture. What do you want this business to look like? Who's your ideal client? Are they homeowners, business owners, luxury real estate developers? And what's your signature style? Modern, minimalist, boho, classic? And most importantly, how are you going to stand out? Your unique selling proposition, or USP, might be budget-friendly makeovers, high-end luxury aesthetics, or a completely virtual e-design model. Getting clear on this now makes branding, marketing, and pricing a whole lot easier later. Because simply saying, "I have good taste," isn't exactly groundbreaking. Unless you're talking about snacks. All right. You've got the vision. Now let's talk about building a portfolio that actually gets you clients. In the world of interior design, your portfolio is everything. It's how clients decide whether they want to work with you, and it's your best tool for proving your skills, especially when you're just starting out. If you don't have clients yet, don't worry. You can create your own opportunities. Offer to design spaces for friends and family, take on a few pro bono projects, or even reimagine rooms in your own home. The key is to show what you're capable of. And let's not forget about social media. I would actually attribute a large part of the recent boom in the interior design industry to platforms like Instagram and Pinterest. They are gold mines for interior designers. Share before and afters, mood boards, color palettes, anything that highlights your aesthetic. When putting together your portfolio, focus on quality over quantity. A few well-documented projects with high-quality photos and clear descriptions will go a lot further than a bunch of scattered images. Make sure each project tells a story. What was the space before? What was the goal? And how did you bring it to life?
That's the smartest thing I've ever heard anyone say about anything.
Once you've built up a strong portfolio, the next step is to make it official by setting up your business and creating a professional online presence. Step 1 is to choose your business name and structure. Your business name should reflect your style, something that feels professional but also aligns with your brand personality. And your business structure will either be a sole proprietorship, LLC, or a corporation. If you're unsure which one to choose, consult a lawyer or accountant to see what's best for you. Step 2, register your business and finances. Once you've chosen a structure, register your business name with your state and get any required permits or licenses. And don't skip this next step. Open a separate business bank account. Mixing business and personal finances can get messy fast, especially come tax season. Step 3, set up your online presence. A professional website is non-negotiable. It's your digital storefront and how potential clients will find and book you. With Shopify, you can build a site that showcases your portfolio, lists your services, and makes it easy for clients to reach out. And as a bonus, Shopify now has an AI-powered tool that customizes your site based on your industry. Just type in interior design, and it'll generate a sleek, design-friendly website for you in minutes. If you're actually looking for an entry-level video on how to create a business on Shopify, check out this video here. And if you're not even there yet because you still need to open a Shopify account, I've dropped a link down below for your free trial so you can get started today with no risk.
All right, everyone, gird your loins.
Having a solid business foundation makes everything easier as you grow, and once you do have that in place, your next step will be figuring out how to price your services and create contracts that protect both you and your clients. Figuring out what to charge can feel like throwing darts in the dark. Charge too little and you're overworked and underpaid. Nobody wants that. On the flip side, charge too much and potential clients might ghost you. And getting ghosted after quoting a price, that's basically the client version of it's not you, it's me. So how do you land on the right number? First, you gotta do your research. Look up industry rates in your area and compare pricing based on experience level and project complexity. An entry-level designer might charge hourly per room, while a more experienced designer might offer flat rate packages or percentage-based pricing on total project costs. A good rule of thumb, if every client immediately says yes to your price without hesitation, you're probably charging too little. However, pricing isn't just about what you make, it's about protecting your work, and that's where contracts come in. A well-drafted contract should cover payment terms like a deposit upfront or installments, project scopes, your clients don't sneak in just one more revision 10 times, and timelines and deadlines to keep everything running smoothly. Even if you're just starting out, never skip the contract. It keeps everyone on the same page and helps avoid unnecessary drama down the road. The good news? You don't have to write one from scratch. You can easily find one by visiting websites like asid.org, the American Society of Interior Designers, or hellobonsai.com. You can't go wrong with either.
Yes.
Once you've nailed down pricing and contracts, you're ready to start landing more clients. And that means it's time to talk about marketing yourself like a pro, because unfortunately, clients won't magically appear just because you're good at what you do. You have to market yourself. The first step, we already mentioned it earlier, but it's creating a professional website, and again, Shopify makes it super easy for you to build a sleek, interior design-friendly site that showcases your best work, especially if you use that nifty AI-powered website builder that allows you to use a description of your business as the basis to build your entire site within minutes. But don't stop at just a website. Social media is your best friend. I follow at least 20 interior design accounts on IG, and honestly, I wouldn't even consider looking anywhere else for inspo. Oh, and one more thing, don't be afraid to ask for testimonials. Word of mouth is huge in this industry. When you deliver great results, ask happy clients to send a review that you can then share on your website or on social media. A solid testimonial can make all the difference when a potential client is deciding between you and someone else. Now, before we move on to the importance of networking and collaborations, I want to share this video with you. Some Shopify marketing tips for beginners. This vid, which I've linked down below, will teach you how to use the marketing tab within the Shopify admin in order to easily grow your business. And again, if you don't have a Shopify account yet, click that link down below for your free trial so you can see just how easy it is.
Can we afford this?
I got it.
Now, let's talk about how the right connections can level up your business. Marketing brings in clients, but in interior design, who you know matters just as much as what you know. Attend industry events like High Point Market or NeoCon. Bring business cards, yes, they're still a thing, and connect with suppliers, contractors, architects, and real estate agents. These relationships can lead to referrals and partnerships. Can't make it in person? Join online design communities or professional groups like the American Society of Interior Designers or the International Interior Design Association to stay on top of trends, get business advice, and find mentors. And don't sleep on collaborations. Partnering with local furniture stores, home stagers, or realtors can introduce you to potential clients. At the end of the day, networking isn't just about selling yourself, it's about building relationships that open doors. And once those doors are open, you'll need the skills to deliver top-tier results. Let's get into that next.
It's smashing. Smashing.
Interior design isn't just about having a good eye. You need real skills to back it up. A fancy degree isn't required, but the essentials are a must. First, room design and space planning. You should be able to see a space's potential instantly. Mood boards and design presentations help communicate your vision. Next, furniture sourcing. Whether it's budget finds or high-end custom pieces, knowing where to look is key. Get familiar with local showrooms and suppliers. They'll be invaluable. Technical skills matter too. Reading or sketching floor plans makes projects smoother even if you start with hand-drawn layouts. And here's one that's most overlooked: photo editing. You don't need to be a Photoshop pro, but polishing your portfolio photos can elevate your brand. Bottom line, strong design skills set you apart. And once you've got those, it's time to talk business, because staying profitable is just as important as creating beautiful spaces.
Show me the money.
Starting an interior design business isn't just about creativity. You also need to keep an eye on finances. Knowing your costs up front helps keep your business profitable. So, let's break it down. Startup costs. These are one-time expenses. Things like business registration and legal fees, like setting up your LLC or sole proprietorship, and website and branding, which includes your Shopify site, logo, and marketing materials. Then we have your recurring monthly costs, like design software, programs like AutoCAD, SketchUp, or Adobe, marketing and advertising, like social media ads, website hosting, and email marketing, and office space. This is optional if you're not working from home. Many designers start with $2,000 to $5,000 in upfront costs, but you can keep it lean by working from home, using free tools, and focusing on digital marketing. Your budget should work for you, not the other way around. Once your finances are in check, you can focus on what really matters. Like explaining for the 100th time that beige and cream are not the same color.
We did it. We did it. It looks amazing. Look at that.
Interior design isn't just about picking the right couch. It's about working with real people who trust you with their space and their money. And trust me, how you handle clients can make or break your business. The key? Communication. Listen, ask the right questions, and set clear expectations. Mood boards, timelines, and regular check-ins keep projects on track and prevent last-minute chaos. Budgeting matters too. Be upfront about costs and help clients prioritize. Great design balances vision and budget. Most importantly, deliver. Happy clients come back, leave glowing reviews, and send referrals your way. A well-designed space is great, but a seamless client experience keeps you booked and busy.
Good morning, designers.
Now, let's talk about e-design, a growing trend that lets you work with clients anywhere. So you love interior design, but maybe you want the freedom of being able to work from anywhere. Who wouldn't, right? If you don't want to be tied to one specific location, e-design might be the move. It's a remote version of interior design where you work with clients entirely online. No in-person visits, just virtual collaboration. Here's how it works. Clients send you photos and measurements of their space, and you put together a design plan based on their needs and budget. Most e-design packages include, yes, you guessed it, mood boards. They serve as a visual guide for the space. Floor plans showing furniture layout and traffic flow, and shopping lists so the clients can buy everything themselves. Communication usually happens through email, Zoom, or project management platforms. And because everything is digital, you can work with clients literally anywhere in the world. Want to be laying on a beach making money? Yeah. So do I. E-design is also great for new designers since it requires low overhead. No on-site visits, no managing contractors, just pure design work. It's also a great way to attract DIY clients who want professional guidance but prefer to handle the purchasing and setup themselves.
Can you believe?
All right. At the beginning of this video, I told you that if you stayed till the end, I drop a bonus section on AI-powered design tools that can help you work smarter and faster. Well, congratulations, you made it. AI is changing the game in interior design, making it easier than ever to create stunning spaces with just a few clicks. Whether you're looking for inspiration, layout suggestions, or even automated renderings, AI tools can help streamline your workflow. Here are a few AI-powered design tools worth checking out. With Room GPT and Dreamhouse AI, you upload a photo of the space, and these tools generate design concepts instantly. AI Room Planner and Photor are great for creating room layouts and 3D renderings in minutes. And Archie AI helps visualize furniture placement and suggests decor that fits your style. Most AI tools work by having you upload a photo and complete a short form about your style preferences. Some offer free trials, while others have subscription fees, so it's worth testing them out to figure out which one fits your workflow best. Of course, AI can't replace a designer's creative touch, but it can be an amazing tool for brainstorming and presenting ideas faster than ever. Building a successful interior design business takes effort, but if you have the passion and a solid plan, you can absolutely make it happen.
Don't let your dreams be dreams.
Whether you're diving into full-service design or starting with e-design, the most important thing is to just get started. Take that first step. Define your niche, build your portfolio, and put yourself out there. Every great designer started somewhere, and the sooner you take action, the sooner you'll see results. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. And if this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to Learn with Shopify for more tips on starting and growing your own business. Now, go create something amazing. I'm Kylie Marr. See you next time.